Goal setting FAQs answered, and in today's goal setting FAQ answered session, the question is, does goal setting really help, and if yes, how does it help? Now let me take your attention towards this, and I will start it with one simple theory that Brian Tracy has given. Brian Tracy is the most prominent speaker to speak about goal setting. Brian Tracy says that goal setting helps you in various ways, but I have a different definition for why goal setting is important and why you should have goal setting. And the biggest thing is that you do set goals in your day-to-day life. The only thing is that you don't write that down and you don't define them as your goals. So let's see about the second frequently asked question about goal setting, and that is goal setting really effective, and if yes, how? Before we go into this particular answer of this question, I would like to introduce myself to you. Hi, this is Dr. Ashish Nagar PT. I am a YouTuber and I am an NLP transformation and wellness coach, and I have been working with coaches. I have been teaching people NLP, and I have been helping people out of anxiety and depression. And if you are thinking to make your life meaningful and productive, you are at the correct place. With this, let us move in today's answer. So today's question, again I would like to repeat, was, is goal setting really effective? If yes, how? As we know, Brian Tracy is the most prominent writer in the field of goal setting. After that, there are so many other authors who have put light on goal setting, including Tony Robbins. Brian Tracy says that there are 6 major benefits of goal setting. The first thing is it helps you create your focus. The second thing is it helps you measure your progress. It keeps you motivated is the third factor. The fourth factor is it beats procrastination. The fifth thing is it makes you achieve more, and it defines a purpose in your life. These are the 6 things that Brian Tracy has pointed out as far as goal setting is concerned. But I would like to expand this thing a little bit more. Why do you procrastinate, and why do you don't achieve something in your life? You don't achieve something, or you don't work towards something in your life that is not important for you. What is the factor that decides the importance of certain action, of a certain task in your life? Most of the times, in today's times, for people who are working on deadline based jobs, it's only the deadlines of their projects that is keeping them work towards the particular task that needs to be completed. But we don't look beyond. We all are suffering from instant gratification. We are just happy by finishing this task, that this is done today, I am happy. This is done today, I am happy. We don't go for a long-term vision of our life. What the first thing goals do is they first create a purpose for your life. You decide an outcome for your life, and then you divide this outcome, you chunk it down into small goals with a deadline. So these goals can have deadlines starting from the goals to be completed today, this month, 3 months from now, 6 months from now, 1 year from now, 2 years from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now. This is best discussed in the well-known video of Earl Nightingale's Secret to Success. So you can just go and search it on YouTube and you will have this resource with you. But I want to bring your attention to one simple thing, that why are you doing what are you doing in your life? Whatever you are doing in your life, you are trying to achieve something in your daytime. If you have a target, if you have a wish list that today I have to go and meet a certain person, today I have to go to bank and finish this job, today I have to go to grocery store and get this thing, today I have to go and get the vegetable from the market, today I have to go to the mall and get a certain things, and these things need to be done today. These are also your daily goals. Only thing is that they are just complementing your daily needs. They are not complementing the basic needs of your living. When you just transform these goals to your basic needs, which will upgrade you, which will help you go to the next level in the life, which will help you progress in the life, then this goal setting is actually applicable on a long-term basis. And that is why most of the goal setting is being divided into short-term and long-term. But we in Neuro-Linguistic Programming say that you should first have an outcome. You should know what you want out of your life. You should know what you are going to become after 5 years, after 10 years, rather than reaching there and looking back and again repenting, living a guilt-ridden or regret-ridden life that I would have done this or I could have done this. But what we normally do is we reach in today's point, we look our past and we say that we have achieved so many things in spite of so many struggles. You were struggling because you never knew where you want to go, and that is why wherever you are, you take it as a benefit, you take it as a reward. But I want you to take a decision today that where I want to actually reach. First decide where you want to reach, and once you decide where you want to reach, you reach over there and then you say, last 5 years I have done what I wanted to do for my life and I have achieved what I wanted to achieve in my life. This is real success, this is real accomplishment, this is real satisfaction, and this is what gives you happiness. And most of the people, when I ask them what you want in life, they say we want happiness, we want satisfaction. And how do you get over there? Not by just following the day-to-day course, the day-to-day challenges, but by deciding that in spite of this day-to-day challenges and day-to-day course, these are the things I'm going to achieve. Spend some time. Once you keep this in priority, once you fix this, that by the end of this year I need to achieve, once you make this your purpose, then your daily activities will start getting influence, and these activities will help you prioritize the side hustle you always wanted to do, the side work you always wanted to do, that extra income you always wanted to achieve. Because now your purpose is not doing this job and finishing it off, and when you look at the target far away and you start doing the job, you cross the levels very easily. Have you noticed that? This is the fun part, this is the enjoyment that you get when you go for goal setting. So the benefits of goal setting is not limited to finishing a task that you needed to do today, not only completing your to-do list, but to achieve these to-do lists and tasks in a way that they collectively complement and change your life towards the life you want at the end of a certain amount of time. This is what is actual goal setting, and this is why we use it daily, we are doing that daily, but it is not changing our life because we are doing it for trivial matters and for day-to-day challenges. But when you keep a focus of your life sometime in the future, that I want to reach here, you are determined, then the daily tasks you do in completing and reaching that level is where goal setting is going to help you out. So take a pen and paper and sit and write down what are your dreams in your life where you want to reach, and how you will reach there, and what is the purpose of these dreams in your life, and what will happen if you achieve these dreams, what are the benefits if you achieve these dreams. Once you see these all things, then you sit and write down what are the goals that I need to achieve for reaching this purpose, for achieving my dreams, for making my life a life on my terms. And once you are there, you will automatically have a list of things to be done daily, a list of things to be completed in this month, a list of things to be completed by the end of this year, and so on. And this is what is actual goal setting, and this is how a written down goal setting helps you out. So I hope I was able to clarify some point in why goal setting is important, and if it is important, how it is important. If you have dreams in your life, convert them into purpose, divide them into goals, and then work towards them for changing your life the next 5 years compared to the last 5 years. And if you have been doing that, and if you are feeling stuck, then there is definitely a need of a person who can help you out with this. So feel free to contact me in case you have any questions that you are doing this but you are stuck. That means there is an ecology that is stopping you. So be in contact with me. Let me know if there is any such thing that is stopping you. Before I leave, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and please turn on the notification bell so that you are notified with whatever I upload. I hope I could add some value to you in this video. Thanks for being with me and giving your time. Take care. Bye-bye.